I've been using Moonwater in my practice for a very long time. It is one of my staples. I use it in my morning tea, my bath water, my house cleaning, and my room sprays. I'm always looking for new ways to use Moonwater, and well, a thought came to my mind. Why not combine my two favorite spell ingredients to make a powerful combination? Honey plus Moonwater plus thyme and other ingredients equals, you guessed it, a Moonwater mead. Now, this was my first time making mead. Mead isn't something you can make in a day. It is a process, a month-long process that forces you to slow down, take a moment out of your day to take care of something, and hope that if you do it right, it will turn out. Making mead may be one of my new favorite hobbies. There are many recipes out there, and this one I made super sweet with basil for extra abundance. Over the weeks I fed her, burped her, talked to her, and finally the month went by and I was able to test her. I wasn't sure what her alcohol content was going to be, but after using a refractometer, I was able to determine she was a lovely 8%. After preparing the bottles, I moved her into her new home. It was here I realized I needed more bottles, and lucky for me, there were some in the basement. I cleaned them out and finished filling the rest of the bottles. And there you have it, a Wolf Moonwater mead. I finished this in time to have everything ready for my next mead creation, an Imbolc Snow Moonwater mead. So, stay tuned for that video coming next month. Toodles for now.